Siema Mordo. Good morning. The plan is to go and get myself some breakfast today. I'm in a place called Płaszów. We are now going to Beidronka, a famous, popular Polish supermarket. Let's go. So this is my surroundings here in Płaszów, and I'm just making my way now to Beidronka, which means ladybug. Let's go. It's a lovely, beautiful Polish morning today. Lovely. Zajedo zajedni, that bus said. What does that mean? I'm not sure. But the name of the street that I am on now is called Lipska. Okay, so let's go and find Beidronka. Let's go. Wow, wonder what they're building here. Who knows? We'll see in the time to come. Maybe they're building a hotel or a warehouse. Who knows? Right, so there are quite a few trams. They're coming quite frequently here. So far I've seen. You can get buses across the road, and there's a nice big open road here for cars. The road doesn't look so small. Dzień dobry, taboo, that building says on it, on the door, Dzień dobry, and it's called Taboo. Taboo. All right, so we're nearly at Beidronka. We'll go see what's inside Poland's most famous supermarket where all the Polish people go. Nice sunny day today, nice blue skies. Aha, there it is, Beidronka. The famous Polish supermarket called Beidronka. Let's go. Here we are in Beidronka, a famous Polish supermarket. Let's go check it out and see what they have inside. Let's go. Oh, here we are. Oh, they got some nice Polish flowers here as you come in. Front door, timber. Right, this is the fridge in Beidronka. Wow, they got so much vegetables as you come through the door. Oh wow, a Polish salad. Oh, that looks interesting. Maybe I should get myself a basket. Basket. Where can I get a basket from? Haven't seen somewhere to get a basket, but I will use the Polish trolley today. All right, we got our Polish trolley. I wonder if they have Metka Cybulova. Who knows? Ooh, let's have a look. So here's the fridge in Beidronka. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Masz Metka Cybulova, proszę. Metka Cybulova.
Metka Cybulova?
Masz? Oh yes! Metka Cybulova! Yes! Oh yes! Gdzie? Proszę?
Tu, przed. To malutko, no.
Aha! Metka Cybulova! Yes! Metka Cybulova! Dzień dobry, Metka! Oh, super! Dziękuję. Do widzenia. Yes! Metka Cybulova! Yes! Bardzo dobre Metka Cybulova. Yes, they have Metka Cybulova and a Polish salad. Oh, amazing. What do they have here as well? They also have Polish donuts. Wow, Polish cakes. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks amazing. But what we will get now is kaiseki. Yes. Right, let's see where's the kaiseki. Aha, let's get, what one should I get? Boka? Kaizerka. Yep, let's get Kaizerka. Alright, it's going good this morning. Alright, so we're having Metka Sibylova for breakfast today. Amazing. Yes. Right. Now it's time to get a Polish drink. Let's have a look at what else do they have. So they got Polish cakes, they got Polish delicacies here in the fridge. They have Polish milk, Polish yogurts. Wow, they also have like Polish seasoning, they have Polish meat here. I need to get myself a Polish drink now. So we have Metka Sibylova, yay! So this is it, how it looks in the shop. I think I'll go around the other way, it looks quite busy in here. Got loads of water. They've got Chiswianka and Żywiec Zdrój. Oh, it's quite busy in here, like the it looks like they're dealing with their deliveries today, packing the shelves. Maybe it's the best time to do this in the morning, because when more people come in the shop, it's maybe going to be too busy. So this is sauces, Polish sauces they have here, and Polish jajka they also have in the shop. Right, let's get a drink. A Polish drink. Right, what drinks do they have here? These are the drinks they have. Polish drink. For my breakfast today. Right. Have a, what beer haven't I had before? Let's get one of these. Amazing. Lovely. Right, so I have my Polish salad, my Polish kaiseki. Metka Sibylova, yes. Right. I guess I'll take this out. Amazing. Right. So we'll just put back the trolley now. Okay. So we are going to have a Polish breakfast today. Here we are. We have the kaiseki here. And Metka Sibylova, yes. And a Polish beer. Amazing, right. So it's quite tricky to open the Metka Sibylova. So we'll open the Metka Sibylova with our key. Right, here we go. Metka Sibylova. There we are. It's slightly opened. Let's see if we can open it some more. Oops. Nice. Right. Ooh. Ooh. That looks so good. Amazing. Oh wow. Metka Sibilova for breakfast today. Oh. Lovely. We have also our Polish beer, which we will open up as well. Right. Gonna have our Polish beer this morning. Okay. We're having a worker today. Yes. With our Polish beer. Here it is. Here we are. My Polish breakfast this morning. Outside Beidronka. Smacznego. Lovely. Oh wow, this is delicious. Metka Sibilova. Oh, even the bee wants it. Oh, so delicious. Wow. The bee is just following me now. Right. It's time to enjoy my delicious Polish breakfast now with my beer. It's a really nice day today, beautiful weather, the sun is shining. It's a nice blue skies today.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, thank you very much.
Watch out with beer because you can't drink on street. in
Really?
Poland.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right then.
So look out for
Okay, I will hide it in my bag. One more sip and I will hide it. I just want to try it with my Metka Sibilova.
Sure.
Oh, delicious. Right, so we've had our Metka Sibilova, which is amazing. And the bees, they love Metka Sibilova, the bees, the wasp. They keep coming for the meat. It's because it's raw meat. Yeah. Delicious. Do you like Metka Sibilova?
No, I don't eat meat.
Oh, okay. Lovely. So just about to finish my Polish breakfast now. Oh my, that beer is delicious. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna finish my Metka now. Oh, there's a Polish dog there. Gorący pies. It's not such a hot day today, but it's getting there. I'm already sweating. Right. That Polish breakfast was amazing. We've got one left for the journey. Oh, so we're just reviewing the Metka now in the car park. Oh, here we are.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye. Delicious. Just hold it like that. Simple. The Polish police wouldn't even know I had a beer. Right. The Polish breakfast was amazing. So until the next one. The Polish breakfast was amazing. From Biedronka, codziennie niski ceny.